Oh, after we never. Meeting my gito be la wo. Ati wa kiten.
Listen. Listen. Beriwa NRM. Beriwa under Museveni. Beriwa NRM. Donc qui me betraying actually?
A betraying actually. Tu sais lo ma pe ni ko ma. Lo ma pe ni ma pe.
But il be committing zadi.
Actually ka choke mo pe.
Ko gil ba tiga bieno.
Gil ba bien an pa be ka choke mo pe yo me tu ko kere wa che mo. Ta ka bi gil ba.
No, you pay the RDC. No, one only you think Kitgum. No, I'm right. My you make Kitgum.
I think I'm going to choke my shit. My baby. The check have been Kitgum to my board.
Mario, you let them campaign.
I'm a team campaign.
Now, come what team campaign. You team here, Mara, and attend Kitgum. Why are we frustrating actually? Why? We are not
frustrating actually more easy than local penny. I come. When you go to the can't come again. You are not going to talk about it. I bring you my easy than local can't be the chocolate.
Now listen, NRM does not mean betraying actually.
Can you pay NRM to betraying actually? I'm going to talk about it.
Waru yelo me ko bajo, waru yelo me ko. After all, the man bajo ni.
I want you about him. I'm party la Puritano, my local law, Kilong. And I'm a very straight person.
Wakonya churi, eno kwa bedroom. Can we chair the meeting? Can you chair the meeting?
I wouldn't have been a chocolate more here. I'm assistant. I did the no, assistant party. Assistant party to be RDC.
Okay. Now listen, the PRDC, they are chuli pino.
I'm chuli. Now within that,
I chair the meeting. Why near me?
I wait in the party that chocolate more here. We don't go the man. What do you get more? One way. I'm a bit you teach. One way to teach. The man and patch out. One way to teach with Pierre. One way to teach. You teach anti-mega. I am look, my petty.
I am presidential advisor in the RDC deputy.
Medmigini. Look, my petty.
I am listen. I need to advise the president.
If you look at
I am presidential advisor here, so I have to advise the president right, not wrongly. Why do you betray?
I advise him. If I have betrayed the children, you are betraying. You go and advise the president.